Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to look at another R53 project. This one is a single owner R53, which is super rare to find these days. It has 145,000 miles on it, but the supercharger has gone bad. So it looks very clean in the photos. I'm hoping so. It's actually the closest Mini I've ever bought. It is like 5 to 10 minutes down the road, so I'm hoping that it works out. So I'm gonna get the trailer all hooked up so we don't drive it home overheated or anything like that. So yeah, I'm super excited for this one. It's all black, you know, mini version of the race car, so I'm super excited. Let's go see it. Alrighty, so we ended up taking the Mini. It's very clean. It sounded like there was rocks in the supercharger, so yikes. But after driving it for a little bit, the sound went completely away, so I'm not really sure what that's about, if that's normal. But I have heard about the rock sound in the supercharger, so I knew that was normal when they go bad. Yeah, but we loaded her up on the trailer. Hot boy. Alrighty, here she is. She definitely needs a little bit of paint work, you know, typical California car things. You know, the clear coat is failing. I think somebody maybe polished it once the clear coat started failing and just kind of made it worse. But yeah, it's pretty clean. I love the black on black. Obviously, as you guys know, it's my F56 is also black on black, so yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully this wasn't a mistake. It needs taillights because it knocked them out, but maybe some aftermarket LEDs. So fitment of this front end obviously isn't 100% perfect. We knew that the woman that owned it before had gotten in a little accident, so I think that they just kind of did their best of putting it back together. But that's not the biggest of deals because we had to pull everything apart anyways, because we're going to take apart that supercharger and make sure that that's okay, or repair what needs to be repaired, as well as go through everything and make sure it's in tip-top shape. So we have spare parts that we'll be putting on here if we find anything broken from that accident. Maybe looking into repairing the bumper itself. I've really wanted to learn how to do paint work and whatnot, body work, so this might be a good opportunity to do that, because I mean, you really can't make this worse, right? Yeah, so I figured we should start tearing it apart. So when we turned on the car, we noticed that there was a coolant leak completely under the car, so we assumed supercharger, quite possibly could be the water pump, but popping the hood open, clearly our radiator is significantly damaged, and when the car's on, it pulls up in the top of the condenser, so that definitely could be the leak. As well as, once I started looking into pulling the car apart, I see that this is not remotely on all the way. But the good news is I have a parts car, so we're gonna fix this up. We're gonna get it back in perfect shape, because that's really what matters to me, is just making sure that they run well. So yeah, also, you know, this car was in that accident, clearly not the best repair job here. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Looks like somebody just tried to bend this back. Didn't go very well, doesn't look very good, it's not functioning very well. The hood latch does not like to release off the hood at all, so we're gonna go through it. I just want this car to be back to tip-top shape, so that's what our parts car is for. And I'm so excited because this is really one of the first LCI minis that I've had, well, not minis, but R53s, that I've actually pretty much period minis. Because my F56 is a pre-LCI, my R56 was a pre-LCI, and my R53s have been mainly pre-LCIs. The first one that I think that I've had that is a non pre-LCI, so a post-LCI. I don't know why I'm struggling now. Is the convertible, because the convertible is a 2005. So I'm pretty excited about this. Oh, well, and this one here, but that's a secret that I haven't told you guys about yet. Yeah, so I'm super excited because this is one that I finally get to work on. I just love the way that these ones drive. I absolutely love my red R53. I know many of you are a fan of that car as well, but I wish that it had the same power as this one. Plus, I just think this one's super cool because it is a miniature version of my race car, and it makes me so excited because, I don't know, I think it's pretty cool saying the first generation and the third generation, and they look the same side by side. It makes me really happy, to be honest. I absolutely adore them together, so I can't wait to be able to drive this one and get pictures side by side with the race car. So the real question is, should we make it a mini race car? We'll see. Alrighty, so that is where we are leaving off for this video. Next video we're going to be looking into what is causing the problem, what is going on with the supercharger, assessing from there, and seeing what we can do about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Peace.